When we have the right words to define what KPIs and performance measures are, it makes a tremendous difference to how easily and meaningfully we can create and use them. Now, it's too easy for people to confuse them with actions, with milestones, or criteria for employee performance appraisal. KPIs are not about those things at all. Many definitions of what KPIs and performance measures aren't good enough. Do a quick internet search for the term "what is a KPI" and read through the popular definitions of what they are. Now, when I've done this, I'm always underwhelmed. Many are too vague to nail down exactly what a measure of performance is. Some are just tautologies. Others are more about why we have KPIs instead of what they actually are. And there are so many different definitions that conflict with each other. Little wonder so many people don't really appreciate the essential characteristics that define KPIs and performance measures, that discern them from any other business numbers that we might use. Now, there is no universal definition of any of these terms. For example, the term KPI is an acronym for Key Performance Indicator, and it was reserved for the current and strategically most important measures for an organisation's strategic direction. Now, the acronym KPI is used without such discernment, and so the key has become all but meaningless. The term metric means the same as a KPI to some people, but to others it means a collection of related measures that together become a metric. There likely never will be a universally accepted KPI and performance measurement terminology, so it's more helpful if we forget the terminology problem, because they're all basically the same thing. Not yet have I found a more useful or clear definition of what a KPI or performance measure really is than the one that I created many years ago. A performance measure is a quantification that provides objective evidence of the degree to which a performance result is occurring over time. And now the question is, how many of your KPIs, measures, or metrics meet that definition?